Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second video on Moodle 101. In this video we are going to see how to add course outcomes to your subjects. In the last video we have seen how to create topics, and we have added two topics with and in one of them we have added additional contents of the topics. Now, if you recall, in the last video, we have seen that there were buttons over here which says add activity and add topics. Now, those buttons are no longer visible. That is because in that time, we were in the editing mode. Okay, so whenever you see a page like this without these buttons, that means the editing mode is off. Now to turn on, you just have to click on this actions button, that is the gear symbol, and click turn editing on, and as soon as you click that, you will see all the buttons have came back. Okay, so this is how you do that. Now let us go back to the topic, the current topic of the video, that is how to add outcomes to the subjects. Okay, now to add the outcomes, you have to go to the gear symbol again, that is click on actions, and if you come down you will see there is a button called outcomes. If you click on that, you can see right now there are no outcomes mentioned, so I will simply click on edit outcomes, and I will start adding the outcomes one by one. Okay, so start with the first outcome. So this is how you this is the form to add a new outcome. Okay, so basically you have to first get the outcomes. Now usually if this is a course that you are designing, then you have to first design the course outcomes that you tend to achieve, or if it is a course that is issued by your university, then in the syllabus itself there must be the outcomes given. So in my case, the outcomes are already given to me, so I will just use these outcomes. So the first outcome is formulate simple algorithms for arithmetic logical problems and translate them to programs in C language. Okay, so I will copy that, paste it in the full name part, and in the short name I will just write it as CO1. Okay, and in the scales I will just select default competency scale and click on save. So that adds the first outcome. Similarly, I will add the remaining outcome. So now we have added all the 5 outcomes, and now if you look at it over here, in this table you can see the items column. Now this simply tells you which all activity in your topics are referring to these particular outcomes. So this simply gives you the number of activities using this particular outcomes. Okay, so that is it on how to add outcomes to your course. Thank you.